Say hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new vlog guys. Today it's a Monday and I'm opening up a new vlog for a new week. So today sikwenza monthly groceries. Kwa macro, we're gonna try macro for the first time. Siyobona by special zapha zinjani and then sizabuya ndini update nenibonisa uba kunjani compared to checkers lo besikade sishopisha kuyo. So yeah guys, here is my OOTD. Let me show you. Cap is from Cotton On, shirt from Shein, and the coat is from Woolies, and the jeans are from Edgar's. The sneakers are from Lacoste. Yeah, let's go. Okay guys, Masambini ndifuna nothenga i-mic ke sana because ndithethela phansi kwamna, so ndizothenga i-mic. Bendicele i-mic kunye nam, so sawubona I think ndizohamba nani xa ndiyakhona ndiyoyithenga. Let's go guys. We are at 03 macro. Good long. Cái có đây cũng không thêm chỗ bà. Long to. I was started from. Pull my camera. Ingathi ayafika kaloku oyi-2 uthi ndirate emntase ndisiqashwe apha.
Waqashwa kodwa amaqanda bazophula.
Lo wawudikwe finish omnye lo shamba noyingathi akatshayisi lo unxiba iskipa ezi lo mane exelelwa pha uba yithi cimanga
umuntu omhlophe
okanye nobudiko kwangulo mntu akabomfundise nobunesigezwa
buna
asisibona
angadikwa ka abanye banyamezela zikozesa imali
ngophuka itray yam hayi like
This place is in my head all day, where the grass is.
Hello guys, I'm back now from macro, and andifumenanga zonke izinto zam pha. So I think tomorrow ngizohamba ndiye kwa Checkers for veggies because khandizifumane pha kwa macro. And also i-mic yam khandikwazi uyithenga because bekuye kwakho ingxaki endlini kudam, so umena miwaleqa uzonceda yena, uzoassista yena. So siye sabuya early ke singakhange siyothenga nala mic, so sizayithenga maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure, maybe tomorrow or Wednesday sizohamba. Ewe i-prices zakhona zingcono kunakwa Checkers, but ke sawubona wethu if sizomane sisiya pha siyothenga pha. But I think sizayo wethu for i-toiletries siyothenga pha because ngathi zi-cheap zona. Ndivula apha ke sana nguJuni, first kaJuni namhlanje. Happy new month, happy Monday, Monday, and the first date iqala inyanga entsha. So guys, besitsho ke nelanto kayam ne-colleague yam yesterday sisithi hey nguJuni ngomso. Umyenda wesihleka ke ngesithi ayiboni into engathi ndingamaxhekazana. Ndikhumbula abazali xa besithi abazali yo nguJuni ndingenzanga nto, sithi ngokabava loo nto. Sithi abatshoyo ngokuba uJuni singenzanga nto awusiphosile lo unyaka. Usiphosile lo unyaka. Bhala apha i-vlog yanamhlanje ke. See you tomorrow. Bye.
We're not ourselves, no. Yeah, these are dream friends, dream moments, wish they were real. We could make every secret disappear. We could tell the truths we hate to hear. We could read each other's mind like we had all the time, nothing left to fear. Everything feels clear. Never got it wrong, we had that vibe, yeah. Sharing our food, dancing off tune, we were stupid. Never seen us that free, didn't think it could be so healing. Don't get in our lane, we don't entertain people scheming. But don't mistake this dream for being real, 'cause these are dream friends, dream spaces, we're not ourselves, no. Yeah, these are dream friends, dream moments, wish they were real though.
Can you hear me? Even if I whisper it through the silence. Can you hear me? Honey, can you hear me? Even from
Good evening.
Jonga. Enezenzika zakho. Pages zakho.
Nachaza.
So umuntu uzobiza inamba like ngizobiza inamba ndithi khangela unumber 1 apha ne nanzobe sithi ndizinike ipoint until if man just stop again. Yeah.
So ndibetha u-X kule box nakule box.
Uyeza fast until ogqibileyo yonke le box apho uyiwin. So uyaqala ubiza inamba kayinqa.
Nima uthini? Ubiza inamba qala ikhangele mna.
Ubiza inamba qala ikhangele mna.
Okay. Biza.
Ndiqale ubizi.
Alibiza.
Number 6.
Utheni sobhala?
Kaloku ndiyabhala.
Nam. Stop. Stop.
Ndike.
Yeah, the better way. Yeah, the better way. Yeah, the better.
In my head all day, where there's no conformity.
Neighbor.
Sizobiza. Okay, zawubeka ixesha.
So big cash lithini ke ngolu
Zawubeka ixesha umntu uba makabize.
51. Eu falo nguwe kwathi. Jonga. Ndichiji na.
Stop now.
Ndichiji na.
Now.
Okay. 15 lo.
51 now. 51.
15 lo. Jonga. 15.
Hayi.
Okay.
Katsho azojonga amanani 55
Okay.
Chini. 56.
Stop.
Usubhala
Alibhalanga 3.
3.
Vil chill. Kabir. Kabir.
Dream spaces when I'm yeah,
Dan mas.
Asusubiza nabo hayiboniyo kodwa.
Zaba ndiyayibona.
Ubika ndibonise.
Zoka. Qaza 1 qaza 2 qaza suka lo ndifuna ukubonisa utriba undawona. Waziwa nguwe utriba.
Mazi yena ndizenze.
to hear we could
Qaza imani.
Asoze
Ndibonile ndiyayibonile ndibonile.
Iphi kaloku?
Kha ndisayikhangela ngoba indawona. Kodwa ndibonile kusalayo bendibonile ngotya nam. My head just ticking.
sharing our food.
Don't need the price.
We were stupid.
Hayi, ufuna siqhubeka.
Oh, kaloku ndiwinile. Qhubeka ntoni kodwa ndiwinile.
Ungakincinci lento.
Don't get in our
Incinci.
on entertain.
Kodwa uhle uyigqiba. Uhle uyigqiba ndincinci. Incinci for uba uphinde uleqe nefuna ukwazi uleqe ulifuna.
Dream spaces we're not ourselves, no. Yeah, these are dream friends. Dream moments, wish they were real
Really guys, today it's a Wednesday and we are going to the mall to buy a mic khasiye yesterday because bekubanda wethu, so besihleli apha endlini sirelaxile playing games, and I also catch up on the vlogs. Is sizokwenza OODD. OODD khawuze nansi OODD kata isilamba sesakwa
Kushi.
ayiso sakwagushi
Kushi.
sesakwabantu
Louis Vuitton. Yes. Louis Vuitton.
from H&M.
Ay.
ibhlukwe Total Sport. Ibhlukwe yaka Total Sport.
Sport scene.
ibhluke yakasipotola inkaspotsi
Hey.
ihlamvu zezakwa-Spitz ijezi lena engaphansi yakwa-Pick n Pay clothing yakwa-Pick n Pay clothing
Yaxoka.
bathi
Yaxoka.
yeah
Ulejozi. Ulevutolo.
okay iyambala
Ulevilo.
okay guys, here is my OOTD. Bomber jacket is from kutheni kanento Cape Union. Cape Union is from Cape Union Mat. Polo neck is from Pick n Pay clothing. Jeans H&M. Itegi kwaSpitz. Ikebanta simbe.
I had a dream last night. Did everything we never do in real life. Walked into the room, told everyone to sit tight. Cause I had something to say, things I should've said your way. We laughed till it hurt, talking about the hurt, but turning it into work. Where you going, nowhere special, just walking with you. Feels like the old days came through, feels like the real us came to. Sharing our food, dancing off tune, we were stupid. Never seen us that free, didn't think it could be so healing. Don't get in our lane, we don't entertain people scheming. Dream spaces, we're not ourselves, no, no. Yeah, these are dream friends, dream moments, wish they were real. We could make every secret disappear. We could tell the truth, we waited to hear. We could read each other's mind like we had all the time, nothing left to fear. Everything feels clear. Never got it wrong, we had that vibe. Yeah. Sharing our food, dancing off tune, we were stupid. Never seen us that free, didn't think it could be so healing. Don't get in our lane, we don't entertain people scheming. But don't mistake this dream for being real. Cause these are dream friends, dream spaces, we're not ourselves, no. Yeah, these are dream friends, dream moments, wish they were real
One, two, mic check.
Can you hear me?
Lady,
Even if I whisper it through the silence. Can you hear me? Honey, can you hear me? Even from a distance.
Ndifuna uyicheka ke sanibapha emoyeni ija.
Oh,
1 2 1 2.
zapapaza,
Hey guys, we are at Somerset Mall.
Feel it something
Siyabawulwethu
even when I try to lock
also ngifuna ucheck imic yami uba iyasebenza na. Baby thethe sizoyiva uba is it working or not. Yeva baby. Uzithethe ngowulapho. Ndifuna uva.
zothetha ndithina nkosi yam. Hayi kodwa ke mandithethe kuba kuthiwa mandithethe. Kutest imic.
feel it. I still feel it. Still feel it. Ooh.
What?
Funny thing.
Zingandigquma ezi.
I thought time would erase it, but it just taught me how to carry it differently.
I know what's it true.
I don't chase you anymore, I just notice you never really left the memory. Maybe this is the ending of all the pain, yeah.
Ihle sana kodwa noba ngathi
Because I stopped fighting it. I still wish you
sisiphathi
well,
siyasifithisha.
and I mean
Huh?
that truthfully. Even
Didn't
while
that?
learning how to breathe without the shadow memory, cause
Sure.
what we had was something
Yes,
real,
man.
real. So real. Never said it, no, I never said it. Held it behind my teeth too long. Let a moment pass me by. Pride in my hands, pride in my
Sendibone yakho. Sendibone yakho.
Hayi, so andifuni echophileyo.
Ke siyakufanele nje. Hayi.
Ingandifanela but ke ngoku andifuni echophileyo.
Kutheni ungafuna ichiphle? Okay, ingathi ayichipha kakhulu. Yebo? I've got you covered. Kwathe ayibona le.
Intle sho.
Kanye ni. Hayi, nansi ngithanda. Umbala ubomvu. Hayi. Uthi kaloku ufuna ezintathu zile.
Ndizifuna ezi zichophileyo. Nezi baby jonga. Funa iibhutsi ezinjengezi. Intle lapha.
Enjengale.
Uyithatha bile?
Apha. Ufuna lena mntwana?
Intle.
Ayintle. Intle ngoba ndizozwela.
Ngoku ndibe apho ndigqitha uyibonile? Ndifuna into engaka ke.
Intle shame.
Hayi noba ke iyakhwaza ke sa.
Hayi, ayikwazi kakhulu.
Imali?
2.4.
Uzondithenga? Hayi ndingabuya ndiphinde ndifune into uba ndifumana.
Utsho kanje?
Andithatha hayi bo uthenge.
Hayi bo, kuzoba mnandi nje. Ungatsho nje. Ubuthenge leyo ubuye ufuna uphinde ufune into utsho kanje.
Started building anyway. Piece by piece I found my ground, and every loss I turned around. I used to think I was behind. Now I see the timing was mine. Some delays are just redirections. I'm built from light and everything I survived. No longer shrinking just to stay aligned. I rise, I grow, I take my place in time. I'm built from light, I'm finally alive. I don't chase what drifts away. If it's for me, it'll find its way. I learned that peace is not a dream. It's choosing what you truly need. And every step I take ahead feels like I'm healing what I left unsaid. I'm not who I was. That's my strength. I'm built from light and everything I survive. No longer dimming just to fit inside. I speak my truth, I don't apologize. I'm built from light, I'm finally alive. And if you see me shining now, just know I learned to turn it around from what
angiqondi uyafika kushayisheke yona.
Khona siyistory.
Hayi singayoyijonga kaloku. Ndithanda nale nto yoba ingathi iphakame iphakamanga.
Take me to the place where the river runs wild. Take me to the place where we talk with our eyes, to the place where even winter is warm, to the place where music is played all day, to the place where we sit next to God.
Hey guys, Deboile, and I think I'm gonna close off this vlog here for this week. See you on the next video. If you have watched until this far, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. Bye.